Thank you so much for installing our extension, which allows you to send multiple bills for multiple vendors to one check per vendor on a single click in Zoho Books. I'm here on an install screen. This is the first decision that you need to make as you're installing this bulk vendor checks extension, and that is which bank account are you going to print checks from? And so simply go to the dropdown and you'll see your account names and the currency, and simply select the checking account that you intend to use to print checks. You can always change this later, and I will show you how. Once the extension has been installed successfully, you'll see it listed here in your installed extensions. This is in the settings of Zoho Books in the marketplace. And so if I ever want to change the check printing account, I can simply come here, go to View Details, Configure, and you'll see that very same interface where we can select a different account if we'd like. You'll want the check printing account to match the bills that you're paying, and so you can always come here and change it if you work in multiple currencies. Let's go to the bills screen so that I can show you how to use this extension to pay multiple bills for multiple vendors and generate those checks all at the same time. Here I am on the bills screen, and you can see we have 5 bills here that we need to pay. There are 3 for vendor X, 1 for vendor Y, and 1 for vendor Z. And so we could have lots of different combinations here, but the point is that I can select all, or I could select a few, and in either case, I have the print checks button. Now you can see we have 5 bills selected, and I'm going to hit print checks. And simple as that, we get the message back that checks have been successfully created. What has happened? Let me show you. Here on the payments made screen, you see 3 checks, and that's what we'd expect. 1 check for vendor X, 1 check for vendor Z, 1 check for vendor Y. The totals are the combined totals. You can see vendor X had 3 bills. It's on 1 check. And so in a single click, I was able to send multiple bills for multiple vendors to 1 check per vendor, ready to be printed. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching. Please reach out to us if you have any further questions.